Okay, so if you know me, you know I'm a girl who loves white gold, silver, sparkly, shiny. So when this trend became popular, I mean, partly due maybe to Beyonce, but nonetheless, I'm loving it. I'm talking about the shiny metallic handbag, or just the shiny metallic anything, whether it's shoes, pants, handbags. But today we're talking about handbags, and I'm going to talk about my favorite metallic handbags. Yes, so if you want to know, definitely stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to, impart any wisdom or advice that I've learned and share it with you. Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna talk about my favorite metallic handbags. Just my top 3. This trend, I feel like it just really picked up last year, Thank you to Beyonce for that trend really picking up, because I feel like I saw boots, shoes, pants, handbags, all in metallic, in silver, just per se. So I am appreciative of that, because that is actually my favorite when it comes to metallic, the silver. I appreciate all the other colors. All right, so I want to talk about my favorite top 3 metallic handbags. But before we get into it, have you already subscribed to the channel? Because I feel like, we've been playing this game of you watching, but you not really committing. Like, go ahead and, subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I drop a video, because I drop it every week. I'm here talking to you every week about what's hot, what's not, what I'm loving, what I'm hating, what saves you money, all that good stuff. Now let's get into today's video. So I'm talking about my favorite top 3 bags. I don't know if I can even put it in order when it comes to metallic. I really have more metallic bags, but I was just like, let me just calm down and just do my top 3. I don't have to be, gargantuan of a video. So I narrowed it down to 3 bags. And I want to say, of course, if you know me, I like small bags. These are all going to be small bags, and I love to wear some of these for certain events, certain outings, okay? And yeah, so let's just start with my first one. I'm trying to think which one should be my first. I'm gonna pick this one. I have it out here in front of me. My first one, it comes from Dior, okay? I'm a big fan of Dior. I just love everything about Dior, all right? So, of course, I had to have a metallic bag, a silver bag by Dior. I mean, I have a few, but, this is just one of my top favorite bags, because I really use this a lot. So, I mean, even before the Beyonce tour started, I was already like, how do I get this bag? But okay, let's take her out the box. Now, again, I store all my bags in my box, so don't think I haven't worn it, because I have definitely worn this bag tons of times. It's just the way I store my things. So I feel like I'm just unboxing it now, or it's never been worn. It's been worn, okay? It has definitely been worn. All right, let's take her out. All right, guys, here she is. This is my Miss Mini Dior, and it's in that silver iridescent. Oh, I love anything iridescent, so I have a few things that are iridescent, but I loved it. It was silver iridescent. I know currently they have a silver bag, in a Lady Dior, and also a Miss Mini Dior, and maybe even some card holders. So if you missed out on this particular bag, you can get the one they just got released, which is in silver, and they have one in gold. But yeah, this one, I love it. I wear it a lot. I promise you guys, I do wear it. And I like to wear this one actually with the strap. It does come with its own strap. I just put it back in here when I'm not using it. And I think what I love also about this so much is that normally when you buy bags from Dior, they usually have the champagne gold hardware, but for this collection, or at least for this bag, it actually has the silver hardware, or I don't know, maybe palladium, whatever it is. It has the kind of matching hardware with like the silver bag, and I love that because sometimes I'll see like silver bags with like champagne gold hardware, which is okay sometimes, but I like silver. I guess I'm not opposed to having a silver strap or chain to go with my bag and then have it in silver hardware. So I'm gonna tell you, I love this bag. I love that you can wear it top handle. I wear it, I mean, during the day I'll wear it more as a crossbody, and if I want to transition it tonight, because the chain is so small and it does fit in here, I'll just put it in here. So if I want to transition from crossbody to top handle, I can. And you can also wear it as a clutch. So if you want to tuck it under the arm, go somewhere so you have both hands free. You know, I talk with my hands. So if I'm talking to you, I'm like, yes, yeah, But did you see? That's me. All right, so you can do that, have your hands free, have it tucked under your arm. I love that. I love this bag. And y'all, so I recently just got some jeans. I'm getting them tailored, but it's gonna go with these pants. Yes, they're from Dior. They're from the men's collection, and I have been eyeing these jeans, and I was like, I don't know what handbag I would keep with it. You know, I already know kind of how I want to style it, but like sometimes you just want a handbag to accessorize with your outfit, and I already have one. It's this one. I love this bag. I'm telling you, if this metallic trend goes out, or you know, anything like that, I don't care, because I'm still gonna rock this because I love it. And I didn't just get it because it was trendy. I got it because I really do enjoy silver bags, metallic bags. So, all right, that's enough about this bag. But yes, the Miss Mini Dior in the iridescent silver metallic-y color. So the next bag, I'm trying to choose which bag to show next. Again, there's no really particular order, but I love them both. Okay, I'm gonna do this bag, and it's from Fendi. Yes, this was from their Marc Jacob collection or collaboration that they had in 2023. So yes, I had to have this bag. Again, I've always been a person who likes metallic bags, sparkly bags. So this one it's a tiny bag, all right? It's a nano baguette, and ooh, I've worn this to some events. But anyways, it is this small handbag. Yes, it doesn't hold much at all. I mean, you probably could even clip this. I mean, you can, because it has a little clip, but you could clip this to another bag. Ooh, that's a good idea. Or you can clip it onto like your belt loop if you're wearing it, you know, maybe some jeans or something. But yeah, I love this. I have kept the thing on this one. I don't know why. And I've even worn it like this in public with people and have no shame and no cares. You know, I haven't seen it oxidize it yet, so all right, it's my bag, so if it does oxidize, it's mine. But yes, besides that, I love this bag. I love how sparkly this bag is. That's really what got me. I was just like, just hypnotized by the sparkles and the shines and the like baguettes or crystals that they have up here. And it does say Fendi Roma. I mean, I don't think you can really see. I don't think they can actually fit Fendi Roma on this bag, but on the bigger ones that they actually had a baguette size, bigger bag. This is the nano, like I said. They did really say Fendi and Roma on the bag, but this one, yeah. But anyways, I love it. I love this bag. Oh, and when I wear it, I really just wear it like this, but it does come with a strap. So if you want to wear it crossbody, you can. It hits like right, I want to say kind of like mid-range with the strap on. The strap is adjustable, so you kind of, you know, make it longer or shorter the way you need it. But like for me, I've never worn it this way. I did try it on, but I like to just hold this bag. I just feel like it's just a statement, just holding it and going around. And I mean, this doesn't go under the arm, because once it goes under the arm, it's kind of lost and gone because it's so small. But it's just so light. Like, I can just still be talking and be, you know, like I said, I talk with my hands sometimes. So it's fine. And then it's not gonna be too heavy because not much can fit in here. You know, I can take me a nice little perfume sample, lotion sample, lip gloss, and then my like ID cards, some form of payment. That's what fits in here. Just very basic necessities. And then if I have a phone, it's gonna be like in my hand or in my back pocket, or if I'm with somebody, maybe I can ask them to hold it for me. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, I really carry this with my hand. I don't put the strap on, but not that you can't. You definitely can if you want to wear this all the time. I love this bag. Again, this is my Nano Baguette by Fendi from their Fendi Marc Jacobs collection in 2023. Okay, so now this is the last bag. Again, those are just my top 3 that I love out of my collection of metallic bags. The last one, again, with no particular order, but I just thought I like this bag too. Comes from Jimmy Choo. Yes, and I was actually surprised because I know Jimmy Choo for their shoes, but not really for their handbags. And when I saw it, again, mesmerized. Let me pull it out and show it to you. I know y'all look at this bag like, did she ever wear it? I have worn this. So this is what I like to call my concert bag. I originally bought this bag when I was going to go see Beyonce in concert. That's what it was. I had a poll, you know, here on YouTube, on Instagram, asking, you know, the Fab Fam which bag I should take with me to the Beyonce concert, because I had 2 bags and they were both of the similar style, but they were different sizes. End up going with this one. So if you're wondering like, what, I wonder what bag she ever chose for the Beyonce concert, it was this one. This is the one I chose. Yes, and I'm glad I did, because again, when you're going to a concert, you're going to any stadium, there's always restrictions on what you can bring. When it comes to the bag, it needs to be a certain size, or it needs to be all clear. And this one was perfect. It does not fit my phone, but I mean, I'm gonna be real with you. I was using my phone, like recording, like, it's Beyonce, kind of get like a little bit of the image, be part of the memory you can take home when you went to the concert. So I did have my phone out a lot, and I didn't even worry about my phone not fitting in my bag. That was not a concern. But I love it. Again, it's a Jimmy Choo bag. They have 2 different styles. They have a way bigger one. I wouldn't say way bigger, but it's big enough where you can put your phone in there. You can put like keys in there. You can probably put like a little agenda or planner in there. It was like a pretty big bag. But I feel like it was just, I feel like I wouldn't use it that much because I don't like big bags. But I love this one. And yeah, it can be adjustable. The strap does not come off, but you can wear this crossbody. You could also wear it as a, you know, shoulder bag if you want to wear it over or on your shoulder. You know, if you just want to hold it, you can definitely hold it. It has more like a top handle type of bag, or maybe for like the crook of your arm or something. But yeah, when I wore it, I definitely wore it crossbody, and I've worn it on my shoulder. So yeah, I liked it like that. And again, it doesn't fit much. I can kind of show you the inside, but you get like just cards, a small little lip gloss, you know, a little perfume sample or atomizer that you might have. A key fob would fit in here. Yeah, just like, again, not a phone. Some mints, all that good stuff. But again, I love this bag. I love how sparkly it is. And this is one of those bags that you definitely could use like in the evening if you were like out on a date or going to like some nice little gala or something, just something that was like a nice formal attire type of thing, this would go great with it. So people think with metallic you kind of have to match it, but you don't have to like be matchy. This could be like that pop, that accessory that just kind of stands out when you wear it. But yes, this is my Jimmy Choo bag. I don't remember the name of it. Jimmy Choo tiny bag in metallic with tons of crystals on it. Love it. All right, so that is the end of today's video. Now leave a comment below and let me know what are some of your favorite metallic handbags that you have in your collection. Maybe they're not all silver, maybe they're gold or pink, because I really was loving that pink metallic bag from Chanel from their 24 Cruise collection. Even the gold one, I mean the silver one was like, I just have so many silver metallic bags, but that whole line, there was a purple one, oh my gosh. But yeah, what is your favorite metallic handbag, maybe in your own closet, or maybe that you really like, it's on your wish list? Leave a comment below, let me know. Again, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can stay informed when I drop a video. All right, now thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.